Hello everyone! Today I have a video for Clique kits, and I am going to be using the May kit, and I absolutely love this kit. It's so pretty. When I first opened this kit, I knew that these two papers were my favorite in the whole kit, and I'm super excited to use them. So the heart one, as you see, I fussy cut all of those hearts out off camera, which took me some time, but I love the way that it turned out. And this paper is from Pink Fresh, and I love the background paper as it has like that ombre or gradient look, all the way fading into white, which is really pretty. And I'm going to use a photo of myself, and I have a shirt on that says slaying it, and yeah, so I've kind of been on this journey of finding myself and finding out who I am, and just it's crazy how I 2 years ago kind of just came out and just found myself, I guess, if that makes any sense. I came out of my shell, and I kind of just like I said, just found myself, and I just wanted to kind of do a little page about that. And so this layout is story focused, so that's kind of the story behind the photo. It's hard to explain without going into too much detail, but I just found myself, and I found my voice, and I feel like I'm in a good place with my life. And yeah, so I'm going to, which is perfect for this kit because there's so many like amazing sayings in these die cuts. Like the one that I pulled out, I pulled out a whole bunch, but some of the ones that I'm going to use, the main one that I'm going to use says, "Stay true to you and you will end up incredibly happy," which is absolutely true. It took me 28 years to find myself and kind of find my voice. But when I did, I truly became happy with myself, and I'm working on that daily to continue to be happy with myself and just be positive and kind to people, and just try to be a good person, if that makes any sense. Hopefully it does. So I took the photo, and I left the white border around the photo, which is how I print my photos, and I print them at home. And I'm going to go ahead and do a couple layers behind the photo with some of the 12 by 12 papers in this kit. I really wanted to use the navy blue as the back layer because I want it to kind of make it pop off the page, off of that like coral color. And I'm going to pull out the puffy stickers and the chipboard stickers. I did get some add-ons this month, so not everything that you will see on this layout is in the main kit, but some of them are the add-ons that you can get. So I'm going to at first just put this one arrow down over the heart that says authentic. And then I decide, you know what, there are a lot of arrows in this collection. There are some puffy ones, and then there are some chipboard ones. And so I'm just going to kind of put them all over the different hearts pointing to the picture. And I'm going to use that little quote that I just told you guys. And I'm also going to stick one of these chipboard leaves like behind that as well. I'm also going to use one of the like kind of canvas tags that you will get in your kit. They're really cool. They add some different texture, and the one that I'm going to use says "The Real Me," and the little pom-pom bow, which is my favorite. I love this. It's like one of my favorite things in the kit. So I'm going to use that one as well, and I'm going to use the turquoise color. That's the one that I have there. And I'm just kind of trying to figure out this cluster here. I'm using some of the die cuts, some of the printables, and I'm just trying to kind of layer up behind the photo and behind the little quote that I'm using. I also pulled a piece of the chipboard sticker at the top left-hand side, and it says, "Here's to the ones who dream." And I am going to go ahead and start adhering all of those arrows down because I like the way they are, and I don't want to lose their spots if I accidentally bump it or move it. So I am going to pull out some thread from my stash, just some black thread that I'm going to kind of ball up and put behind that chipboard piece at the top left-hand side, just to add, again, some more texture and to add another interest, kind of make that kind of pop and bring your eyes to that little saying there. So I'm really, really liking the way that it's looking. So I want to go ahead and start getting all of the layers behind the photo just right. And it takes me a second here to get it the way I wanted it. And then I'm going to use my fine line bottle with some Scotch. I think it's called tacky glue now. It used to be Scotch Quick Dry, but I get that at Michael's. And I'm going to use that to glue down the edges there. And I am also going to go ahead and start building that cluster back up and adhering things down there. And I decide that I want to put the pom-pom bow on this side instead of the other side, how I had it previously, just because I liked the way that it looked better. You'll see that here in just a second. And I really, really love the way that the hearts came out. And like I said, it took me a while to fussy cut, but I just watched TV while I fussy cut on my computer, and it kind of went by quite fast. So I am going to glue that little pom-pom bow down with some wet glue. You could also probably use a glue dot. That would work as well. And I am going to glue that canvas piece down as well with some wet adhesive. So I pull in a puffy sticker arrow because I need another arrow over there. And now I'm pulling out the exclusive sequins in this kit, which are absolutely stunning. I love them. And I'm just going to kind of scatter them all around the page just to add some bling, some shine, some shimmer, and that is going to be my layout. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any upcoming videos. Also, don't forget to spread love and be kind. I will have Clique kits linked below along with my coupon code so you guys can go shopping with that discount. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope y'all have an amazing day. Bye.